Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap North Fair Oaks local and long-distance movers near me. With our long-distance movers, you get the services you require for a much easier move. We help you move to the next state over or all the way across the USA. Relocating isn't simple, but using the right moving services can definitely make it a lot simpler. Along with the basic long-distance moving services, we also provide all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Hiring a local California moving company could seem unnecessary initially. However, after a close look at the major perks of hiring a local moving company, you will likely find that it's well worth it. The time savings you gain can make hiring a moving company among the best decisions you've made. You will also get to minimize the heavy lifting, which means no risk of injury. Our team of professional movers will certainly make sure your move is quite efficient. Moving day becomes much simpler with 3 movers simply because we simplify your entire move. No matter how big your move is, we can easily get it done fast. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our North Fair Oaks moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.